Hi, B P Refcool, we started in 2015 with in mind refrigerant management as one of the key area for us. We started with making the refrigerant recovery machines, and today we have number of solutions which are addressed towards overall refrigerant leak management. Yes, we do have refrigerant recovery machines, which is what we started with. We have evolved number of systems which are not only for system recovery but also for heel recovery, which is the kind of leftover which remains inside the cylinder or a turner. So that also is something crucial where we work on. We have number of leak detection systems. So when we talk of leak detection system, there are number of stuff. So say for example, leak monitoring system to know whether there is a leak in the system or not, leak in the car or not. To do that, we have direct and indirect. Direct we are going to present in this SAE, wherein we find out the presence of refrigerant near the car. The second detection technology is the indirect way. Indirect way, we check this the parameters of the air conditioning system in the car, and we come to know that there is a short of gas or not. So that's the indirect way, by connecting or calculating superheat and subcool and all. If we know there is a leak in the system, to pinpoint where is the leak, again we have number of solutions like a leak locator, which gives a very fine and long-lasting bubbles to find out with a very easy to find formulation for bubble leak detector. Then UV light leak detection, so we have UV dye which goes in, and then we have UV lamps to check for all those micro leaks. Then we have electronic leak detectors. We have number of technologies for electronic leak detectors, from infrared to the semiconductor type of technology. Then if we know that there is a leak, then in order to plug that leak, we have again we have leak sealant which goes in with the refrigerant and plugs the leak wherever it is. We have the products which you apply on top of the aluminum heat microchannel heat exchangers or other parts to cover it from outside. So we have number of technologies. We feel that if there is a refrigerant leak, probably we need to find and address that refrigerant leak before it starts to create an environmental as well as performance problems. So with all these number of tools, number of equipments, say for example refrigerant recovery recharge stations. So we have state-of-the-art refrigerant recovery recharge stations which are not only for 134A but for 1234YF as well as for 152A. Now in a 1234YF recharge station, what you need essentially is to know whether the car which is coming up is having a actual 1234YF or it is charged with a 134A. So there is an integrated refrigerant identifier by which you can know whether it is 1234YF or not before taking the gas out from that car. So these type of intelligent next generation solutions, and even a standalone refrigerant identifier for you to know when you are dealing with refrigerant gas whether it is a genuine 134A, 1234YF or 152A. So to all these we have number of solutions which help us manage the refrigerant in a better way. Thank you. Stay plugged in with our BP Refcool products through bprefcool.com. Thank you.